Hello guys, in this lecture I will discuss a string. A string is a data type used in programming such as an alphabet and number, but is used to represent text rather than number. It includes a set of characters that can include a space and number as well. So whenever we are storing a number in string variable, we are not intended to use it in any calculation. So to represent a string, we use quote. The quote may be single quote or double quote. So single quote string example is here and double quote example is here. There is no absolutely any difference if you will represent a string in single quote or double quote, but we use it for convenience. So take the example in this third cell where I have written wrap lots of other quotes. So here the double quote we are using to wrap the string, then single quote will be ignored inside the double quote, and in this way we can use single quote as a letter or text rather than a wrapper. Now take an example. Here I am writing a string, so my name is a string, and of course the data type of this is also a string. So let's create a variable for this string. So suppose name itself is a variable and we are assigning the value using this is equal to sign. So if you will print the name, then you will get the value my name. So see, the value is my name. Now let's create one more string. My This is variable name, my number. To remove the space, I used underscore, and I'm going to use is equal to assign the value number value, suppose 10. Now run this code. So we created a variable number and we assigned 10 as the value. Now let's print this number. See, the value is 10. Here the variable name is a different type of variable, and here the variable my number is a different type of variable. If you want to check the type of variable, you can use type command. So type is a function that is used to denote the type of variable, and name is my variable. So now run this command. See, here the type of this name variable is str, means a string, and Python automatically created the type of your variables. And here if you will use the type command and now run the cell, type of this variable is integer. It is automatically created by the Python. Suppose if I will include this number under the quote. So because in quote we always denote string, so then the now this value 10 is not a number inside this variable, it is a string, and that's why the Python will automatically change the data type from number int to a string. So now run this code. Now see, the value is str. That's all for this lecture.